Hello all, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically what is given here is there are memory modules of size 256 into m, and then you have to build 1G into 16 memory system based on these memory modules. So basically what we can say is there is a memory, and then to this memory there are 256m address locations. That means 28 bits are there, and then there is a data bus width of 8. This will be m is like 2 power 20, and 256 is like 8. That means a 28 bit address bus. Now basically before going to solve this, let us see some terminologies. K is nothing but 2 power 10. Okay, m is nothing but 2 power 10 into 2 power 10, which is nothing but k into k, and g is nothing but m into k, which means 2 power 20 into 2 power 10. Okay, which gives 2 power 30. So that is how we represent this. Now what is given is 256 m into 8 memory locations are given. Using this we have to form 1G. 1G is, as we discussed, is 2 power 30 into 16. Okay, so here if you see these two, 8 and 16, that means additionally 8 into 2 additional buses are required. So 8 and 8, 2 data buses of 8 bit can be combined to form 16, whereas this is 2 power 10, 2 power 20, sorry, m is, and then this is 2 power 8, whereas this is 2 power 30. So that means you additionally need 2 square, that means 4 additional bits to combine this. So that means if you have 4 into 2, which is nothing but 8, if you have 8 additional modules, you can form a 1G into 16 memory. Thank you.